Have you ever taken a photo through glass or water and been totally let down by ugly reflections? Or maybe your skies look flat and boring, even on a clear day? Well, there's a ridiculously simple accessory that fixes all that, and no, it's not Photoshop. This little filter has saved more of my outdoor photos than I can count, and today I'm going to show you exactly how and why it works. Welcome back, and if you're new here, this channel is all about helping beginner and intermediate photographers build confidence one video at a time. Today we're looking at a really valuable little lens accessory, and if you want sharper, cleaner, more vibrant photos, this little thing is your best friend. Did you know that a circular polarizing filter can cut reflections by up to 90%? That means see-through glass, dramatic skies, and zero editing needed. And if you love tips that deliver instant results, I've put together an ebook to help with your photography knowledge. It's down in the description and completely free when you sign into my monthly newsletter. So here's what's coming up. What a polarizer actually does, when and where to use it, big mistakes to avoid, and a few surprising creative uses. And you might want to stick around to the end because I've got a bonus tip for portraits that most photographers miss. A polarizing filter screws onto your lens and rotates as you turn it. It blocks certain light waves, especially reflected light. You may have heard people say it's like sunglasses for your lens, and sure, that's part of it. But a polarizer doesn't just darken, it transforms the way your camera sees light. Think of it like noise-cancelling headphones for reflections, cutting through glare, boosting contrast, and bringing colour to life before you even hit the shutter. And here's what it gives you: deeper skies, less glare from glass and water, boosted colours and contrast. And the best part, it happens in camera, not on a laptop. You'll get the best results when the sun is off to the side, around about a 90-degree angle to your subject. Use it for landscapes, beach shots, urban reflections, anywhere light is bouncing around. But don't use it in darker conditions because it blocks light and can mess up your exposure. Just rotate the filter while you're looking through your viewfinder or screen. You'll see the reflections disappear and the skies darken, just like magic. A heads up though, watch your exposure. A polarizer darkens your image by about 1 or 2 stops, depending on which one you have. And if you're using a wide angle lens, watch out, you can get uneven sky darkening that looks a bit weird. And here's a little bonus as a thanks for sticking with me. Did you know you can use a polarizer for portrait photography? On sunny days, it reduces reflections on skin, sunglasses, and even shiny clothes. So try it next time you're shooting outdoors with natural light. It can clean up your image without touching the slider, so now you know. So to quickly recap, polarizers cut reflections. They make skies pop. They boost color and give you a cleaner image right out of the camera. They're affordable, easy to use, and make a massive difference fast. Make sure you get one that fits your lens thread and start experimenting with it. I would also recommend getting a proper glass one rather than a cheap plastic one. As the old saying goes, buy cheap, buy twice. If this helps your understanding of polarizing filters, or if you learn something new, give it a like and subscribe. Make sure you grab the ebook below, and if you want more help with your photography, why not watch this one next? And let me know in the comments, do you use a polarizer? What's your favourite use for it? I'd love to hear from you, so why not share your thoughts? Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.